for this project, we would incorporate the two of you guys together. Okay. Cherie loves to entertain and you love to bake, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to do a DIY cake stand.
Okay.
Now, before you do anything, you want to make sure you wash the plate with Dawn dish soap.
Okay,
Make sure
great.
it's really clean, because obviously once we put it all together, we're going to be putting food products on it.
Okay.
So let's measure this out.
All right.
Here's your ruler and your pencil right there.
Okay, so what I would do is I would make sure that we're getting the exact center of the plate. So this is 9 inches, so we'll mark 4.5 and mark 4.5 and find the center right there. That's my center. Okay. Now I'm going to measure this. This is 5 inches, so it's 4 inches, so I need 2 inches on each side. That's where my edges are going to be. I don't like to eyeball things because I have a pretty good eye, but I think things are really tricky, and sometimes you think you guessed it right, and then you measure it, and it's real off, and then you're in trouble.
Interesting.
And I don't like to do things over. Okay, so there's my lines. You can see them. So just about in the center of all those lines. You can help me, yeah. If you make sure that doesn't slide, and I'll draw around it.
Okay, so let's put the gloves on before we put the glue at this
Okay,
point. I chose the industrial strength adhesive because that way we know it's not coming off, right?
Okay, good. Do we have to like open it, or is it already? Oh,
there
it's
you go.
running. Okay.
And then a dab of glue, yep, all the way around the edges. So perfect.
And I am going to smear it to flatten it out so that it's,
Yeah, there you go.
as long as I don't touch anything with that finger.
Right.
Okay, you watch that line, I'll watch this one. We're just
There, that's perfect.
inside of the line, right?
Yep, perfect.
I'm gonna smush it down real hard. Wish we had something to put as weight on it.
That's okay, you know what we can do?
Just turn it on itself. Wonderful.
Yeah, and then the weight of the plate,
And I'll watch it so it doesn't move.
and voila, we have the most gorgeous cake stand.
That's cute.
It's adorable.
Thanks for watching, and remember to tune in to Homemade Simple with me, Layla Ali, Saturdays at 9 a.m. on OWN. And remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.